Parking information. Hotel. Read to copy.
Departure runway 09 right.
Departure runway 09 right. Then ready to start.
Request taxi. Change to runway 09 left. Request pushback. Pushback left approved. Roger. Change to runway 09 right. Roger. Pushback left. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Request taxi. Request startup. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Taxi to holding point.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask the flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Holding point runway 09 right.
Parking information. Hotel. Read to copy.
Request startup.
Contact tower on 118.500. Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Cabin crew. Prepare doors for departure and cross-check.
Stand by.
Parking information. Hotel. Read to copy.
Nice day.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartment. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Departure runway.
Request pushback.
Push up.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Holding point runway 0. Pushback approved at own discretion.
Roger.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Roger. Request pushback.
Pushback right approved.
Roger. Pushback right.
Pushback right approved. Change to runway 09 right.
Roger. Change to runway 09 right.
Request taxi. Say intentions. Contact approach on 119.720. Contact tower on 118.500.
Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Request pushback. Runway 09 right. Vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Request source runway. Make 180. Okay. Request source runway. Roger. Cross runway approved.
09 right.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Departing. Information. Hotel rate to copy.
Departure runway 09 right. Contact when ready to start.
Departure runway 09 left. When ready to start.
Unlocking. Information. Hotel rate to copy. Departure runway 09 right. Contact when ready to
Flaps.
start.
Holding point runway 09 right.
Contact tower on 118.500. Request on.
Good day. Holding point runway 09 right. Ready for departure.
29.
Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet. Cabin crew. Prepare for takeoff.
Leaving 3,000 feet. Good day. Holding point runway 09 right. Ready for departure. Please contact departure on 120.400. Stop. Stop.
Good day. Holding point runway 09 right. Ready for departure.
80 knots.
Continue.
V1. Rotate.
Good day. Holding point runway 09 right. Ready for departure.
Positive rate. Gear up.
29 degrees 6 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Leaving 3,000 feet.
Flaps. Flaps.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated. In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as lunch. Alcoholic drinks are also available. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now starting our descent to our destination. The weather is bad. Enjoy the rest of our flight. Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to land at our destination. Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you.
Minimums. $200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted during flight.
Cabin crew, prepare doors for arrival and cross-check.